how to run TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can use TikTok ads with your Shopify account. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and create our TikTok ads account, right? It's actually pretty simple. Just come over here onto ads.tiktok.com and you can go ahead and quickly get started with it. So over here, there's pretty simple, get your plan, craft your content, and run the campaign. It's just that simple. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to click on get started over here. Now you can go ahead and create your account by just simply adding in your email address and your password. Or if you click on login, you can go ahead and sign up with your TikTok account right here, right? So just simply click on sign up with TikTok account, agree to their terms and conditions. I'm just simply going to uncheck this box and click on sign up with TikTok. You're going to authorize your TikTok. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account as well. So once you have done that, just simply click on continue and you should be good to go. Also make sure that your TikTok account is in a business account as well. So now I'm just simply going to go ahead and authorize it and we should be good to go. And then you have to set up your account. So basically, tell us about your business, add in your business name, your website URL, which is optional. If you want, you can add that, the industry, the country and region, the currency, the time zone, and your mobile phone number. Then just simply click on continue. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out all of this. If your business is a VAT registered, please ensure to enter the legal name that was used for the VAT registration. So make sure you use that. Check out this document as well if you want. So I'm going to fill out this form and catch you guys in a sec. And then there you go. Next, all you got to do is just set up your campaign and make sure you've connected it and, verified it. So here we go. You can see right here, we have our account, our ads manager right here. We've got the dashboard over here, the campaign, the dashboard over here. I'm just simply going to exit this for now. We'll show you how you can create a campaign later on. So yeah, this is the dashboard right here. Here you will see all of your insights, your audience, the videos that are doing really, really good, the ads that are doing really, really good. You can add your billing info over here, set up payments, and create your first ad over here. You're going to have your campaigns over here where you can see which ones are doing good, which ones are running. You have your tools here, which you can see you have the audience manager, comments, creative liberty, instant page, video editor. You've even got the Pangle brand safety. I don't know what that is. That's like a new tool, I would say. Mission manager, catalogs, and everything. Analytics are going to be over here. And yeah, so you got a bunch of different options. So make sure to verify your phone number as well. So let me just go ahead and do that. But yeah, also you've got your business center over here. You've got your app center over here, and you've got the event manager over here. And if you click on all tools, you can see all the tools that are available for you over here. So let's get started. So first things first, we're going to create our ad account. Make sure you fill out all these information as well, like ad billing info and set up payment details. It depends on you. But yeah, let's go ahead and click on create our first ad, click on get started, or you can go into the campaign section over here and then, click on create new campaign. So here we have the create new campaign section. Here we will have the advertising objective. Here we want to see what our main objective is. So if we want reach, we want traffic, video views, community interactions, app promotion, lead generation, website conversion, or product sales, right? Totally depends on you. And since this is a e-commerce store, right, we're, selecting our Shopify store, we're going to select product sales. And here we can go ahead and choose promote your product from a catalog using video shopping ads, or we can use the TikTok shop ads, it depends on you. So then all you got to do is set up the campaign name, right? Product sales, special ads category. If you have one, if your product applies any of these, select that, create your digital campaign or set budget optimization, whatever you want, and then click on next. And also, if you don't want to use any of these options, right, you want people to directly buy from the website, then you can go ahead and select website conversion. For this, you have campaign time. You can turn on smart campaigns over here. It depends on you. I'd leave it over there. I don't want to do that. And then I'll just go ahead and rename it to something else like this one. And then we're going to click on campaign budget over here. We want to set a campaign budget, right? Daily budget. It should be at least $50 over here. So that's good. Let's go ahead and say $50. And that's nice. Next, we can also set campaign budget for a total, but it depends on you. I recommend going with the daily budget of $50. That will allow you to, go ahead and properly optimize your campaign ads if it's your first time running them. Make your budget smaller, make it count, so you can see what is working, what isn't, and then you can go ahead and optimize it, and then you can increase the budget later on. So once you've set your objective, you've set the name and the budget optimization, then click on continue. Next is the ad group. Here is where basically we're going to go ahead and get started with our main stuff, right? So over here we have our audience. As you can see, it's fairly broad. We don't want to have it too broad, but we don't want to have it too narrow. We want to find a sweet spot in the middle, because if it's too broad, it's of course going to be cheaper, but it's going to be inconsistent. But if we go with too narrow, then yeah, sure, it's going to be consistent, but it's going to be way too expensive. So we got to find a sweet spot somewhere around the middle. For that, we need to set up locations, right? Age groups and other stuff as well, other demographics. So we got to go ahead and narrow our target, but not too much, but not too broad as well. So here is the ad group. I'll just name it whatever you want if you want. It totally depends on you. We have our optimization. This is the website. So we're going to do that. And placement over here is automatic, if you want. So if you want to choose manually where to place it, you can go ahead and click on manual and choose these options. But I'd recommend leaving it automatic. Then you have your test targeting options. So here, as you can see, where they've got some options, but yeah, over here you can find some data if you have some. If not, leave it over there. And then you have the demographic. Here you want to select the location of where you want your ads to be targeted. Since we have United States, sure, but we don't want to go ahead and target all of United States. We want to target a specific area. So for that, click on United States, and then you're gonna see states or DMA. Click on states and then choose the states that you want, right? So we're gonna unselect the states that we don't want, right? So we can see over here within the states, California. We don't want to choose all the other ones as well. So select the ones that you want to choose. And as you can see, the audience is going down. So if I deselect Ohio and North Dakota, we'll select New York, New Jersey as well. We don't want Nebraska, Nevada, Montana, or anything like that. You can even do them from here as well. It totally depends on you. I'm just deselecting the ones that I don't want. Florida, I'd select Florida, just why not? And there we go. So now these are the states that we want. Maybe not West Virginia, but it totally depends on you. So here we go. Yeah, we don't want Wyoming, Wisconsin, Washington, Utah. We'll choose Texas, why not? And yeah, so as you can see, audience is now a little bit narrower we're getting closer to the middle, which is good. So now we have, as I said before, some states that we want. So we'll leave it at that. There we go. So these are the 4 states that we're targeting. Next is the age group. Here you can go ahead and select your age group. So let's say our age group varies from 18 to 24. Anything above 18 is good, but we don't want to target anyone too old, right? So 18 to 35 would be good. So yeah, totally depends on you. If it's too much, choose whichever. But yeah, so here you can see it's a bit too narrow. As you can see, it's right here. It's also telling us that it is narrow. Broad targeting settings may improve performance. So, it depends on you. So make sure you do that. If you have a product that's targeting younger audience, you can select that as well. So here we have the gender, all genders. If you have a specific gender targeting products, select that gender. You've got languages over here, household income. If you want to target certain audience, then you can go ahead and target that audience over there. You've got your audience over here, include quicks or whatever, exclude certain audience if you want. Interests are going to be over here. If you want to target specific devices, let's say you're selling a phone case, right, for a specific iPhone, then go ahead and select iOS. Select the version that you want, since it's, let's say we want 16 and above, and select the model. So let's say we want anyone between iPhone 14 to the latest one. Like that, we selected the audience, and then we can go ahead and move on. But it totally depends on you. If you want all, then you can select all, and we'll just leave all of them. I'll just remove them. And then at the bottom we have budget and scheduling. So here you want to set your budgeting and stuff like that, right? And once that's done, just simply click on continue. We also have to set up pixel. I forgot about this one, so let's go ahead and click on get started. It's going to take us over here onto the event manager, where we're going to go ahead and install the pixels. I would also recommend go back to Shopify and go into the app store, click on the apps and search for TikTok. Here we go. We got TikTok over here. If you want, just simply click on the Shopify app store, but it isn't currently compatible with my store, but that's fine. You can just simply go ahead and install the application, and you can it'll ask you to connect with your store, and you can easily connect it over here. using this settings over here, just basically, just log in into your business account and you should be good to go, right? And once that's done, just simply click on the continue button and you can run ads and you should be good to go. After that, they'll basically ask you to go ahead and input the payment details. So for example, let me just go ahead and open this up over here. I'll just exit it now. And you'll have to input your payment details like your credit card or your, billing info over here. Click on add info over here. And you have to include over here, your payment options over here. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and turn on your ads and set your ad live. And then there you go. So pretty simple. And this is how you do it. This is how you run TikTok ads. Unfortunately, I exactly show you how to install it because it doesn't support my country as of yet. But, I should have changed it. I don't know if I can change the country or not, but, it is what it is. But yeah, this is how you do it. This is how you run Shopify ads and how you can create your own ad account and how you can run a campaign as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.